AP Stats is math with concepts and contents interpreting data like beta, which is a population slope, don't you know? You use it when you're using a null hypothesis test for the best data conclusions. So first, say your words. State the hypothesis. It goes like this. Null is dull. You try to prove it wrong. Now we're coming along. State alternative hypothesis test. Now we're ready for the next step. Significance level is the alpha symbol. The most common is 0.05, but don't be demised. It can be anything, 0 to 1, depending on what you're looking at. Fact. So now we check conditions for precision. In your data, for a least squared regression line is very fine. Step 1. Data must be on a relatively linear scatter plot. Here's a thought. If not, take the log of y to get by. From an exponential function, if it doesn't work, don't invert. Just take the log of x to proceed to the next type of function. A power function is what it's called, but if you're good from the get-go, move along. Next condition is seeing if the data
is independent, and you do this with 10n is less than or equal to big N, the population. Little n is your sample size. You gotta make sure there's no repeated people either. After you determine you're independent, move along to the next go. You gotta check for normality by challenging steps of residuals, the essentials in your calc. Hear me out. Second stat plot, probability plot, then do this. Second list, resid. If these are in a line, we're good to go. So come on, you aren't done with the fun of residuals. You gotta check and see if the SE standard deviation is the same everywhere on the residual plot of 0. Let's go. Next we see if we were random in our sampling and make sure we got a group of random samples. If you're good, you stood on the right place with conditions and can make calculation. Go back to the alpha significance level and put it in context first. We swerve our pencils and use a formula. T equals B minus HO over standard error of B. Usually, listen to me, you'll be given a dozen computer output numbers. It'll be enough to do your stuff, so you're good to go. Don't you know?